access to.
Abafundi base-Gauteng babonga ukusebenza kanzima kwabo okugcine kubalethela imiphumela emihle.
It was overwhelming, I don't want to lie. I just thought hard working paid off.
Making through it throughout the year was difficult, but obviously hard work always pays.
Bathi ukuzikhandla kothisha babo okubasizile.
I just want to thank them that they helped me with the online classes and everything. They motivated me. I just want to thank them.
Nase Eastern Cape bekuyinjabulo yodwa kubafundi ikakhulukazi umfana oke wagwazwa ngumama wakhe ophuzayo. Uselesi sigameko asiwashabalisanga amaphupho akhe.
I'm feeling so great, and I'm going to university this year. I'm gonna be doing cultural science or become of accounting in accountancy. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to Cape Town.
Kusenjalo naKwaZulu-Natal abafundi basilemiphumela isho ukuqala kwekusasa labo.
Ngiplana ukustudisha i-career towards i-Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Science from UKZN. Kodwa namhlanje kuseni ngithole offer from Wits University kuthiwa ngingafundela i-actuarial science khona eFrumthanda. So ngenxa ukuthi i-actuarial science nayo yenye ama-courses engiwathandayo, so okwamanje isikhathi esizosho ukuthi iyiphi career engizoyifunda.
With God, I managed to pull through and I got i-bachelor. Ndifuna ukuthi noba kunzima kanjani, but you should always try pushing hard and pray.
Bethola imiphumela kamatikuletsheni babhekana nezingqinamba eziningi okubalwa i-COVID-19 eyabheduka benza ugrade 10 kanye nohlelo lokucisha konga ugesi olutayinselele enkulu kulelizwe. Sithi halala kunina abafundi sinchoma uphaphe legwalagwala nisebenzile. Izindabeni ze-SABC ngingunozipho Xaba ngibika ngisegoli.